Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, and today I have a beautiful 1965 Pontiac GTO Convertible. This one's powered by a 389 tri-power V8. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission, 10-bolt rear end. Let me pop the hood real quick so you guys can see the beautiful tri-power. There it is. This one has restored factory Mayfair Maize exterior, so this is the correct color for this car. It also has the correct white vinyl power convertible top and correct black vinyl bucket seat interior with a center console. Here's the tri-power V8 right in here. I love these 389 tri-powers. This one is tuned absolutely amazing. Starts right up on the first crank of the key. It's cold out here. I've had it sitting here for a minute. In fact, I'm gonna get in it and cold start it real quick. And I'm not even gonna pump the gas at all. Just gonna give it a quick turn. And look at that. Starts right up. This one doesn't have a temperature gauge, just the light, but you got your fuel gauge there. You got a tach here on the right, speedo here, and then a battery and oil pressure light over there on the far left. You got your heater controls here. You got the Pontiac AM radio there in the middle. There's your Hurst ball shifter. Center console, like I said. GTO with the handle over here on the passenger side. And there's your button for your top. I'll show that working in just a minute. We do have the black boot cover for the top as well back here in the back seat. Speaking of the seats, they're in perfect condition. Very nice black vinyl buckets. You got the Pontiac floor mats. Nice black carpet everywhere too. And black door panels. Cranky windows. They're not mad at you. You just gotta crank them to put them up and down. Power steering, oversized aluminum radiator as well. Not sure if you caught that while I was in here. There's that big old radiator. Engine runs nice and quiet and smooth. Rally wheels with the Redline tires. I feel like you kind of have to put those on a GTO. They just look right. The white vinyl top is in really good condition. The paint also in very good condition, as well as the interior of the car, like I said. Idle smooth. The top isn't super creased up. It's not really torn anywhere. You can see it. Let me get a close look all the way around it. The back plastic is in really good condition too. No weird stains, no nothing. Really nice top. Again, like I said, engine runs quiet and smooth. Not a whole lot going on in here. Power steering. But this car does drive really good, and this tri-power feels pretty stout. So I'm gonna go get Christopher, the guy I do these videos with, and we're gonna take this thing for a spin.
It is on. Where's my keyhole? Oh, there's my, oh my goodness.
All right, Chris is in the GTO. He's figuring out where the key goes, which is on the left of the wheel, if you didn't know.
Hey, would you mind closing this beautiful door?
Yeah, I'm gonna show how nice this door closes, because especially on a convertible, it's extremely nice, because usually the roof acts as the structure of the car, and on convertibles, doors can droop and the body can flex. But this is so nice. I'm just gonna breathe on the door. closed.
Well, that is incredible.
I know.
You didn't sell it
Let me
enough.
hop in the other side. Show off the other one. Fire's right up, like I said. As you can see, the shadows have moved. It's been hours since I did the walk around because we've been busy. But
we have been busy.
I'll hop in and show this door. I'm not even gonna.
Oh my, this car.
I even closed it harder than I had to there because we're on a hill. And Chris's phone is ringing
there. I'm sorry, I put it back there for us, not the who is it.
Chris G.
I need to speak to him.
All right, now we'll go. I can put this in our center console.
Nice.
Because our
It's
car
a fully functioning car.
has a center console. It's a center console car.
With beautiful Mayfair Maize.
Yes, that is the correct exterior color. The white top is correct. Power, I showed it working earlier. The black interior with bucket seats is correct. It's been repainted and restored,
There's
but
no question. It's beautiful.
it is beautiful. And now it's got a 389 tri-power with a 4-speed and a 10-bolt. There's your 4-speed down here. And what more could you ask for than a tri-power with a 4-speed?
And a convertible.
Yeah. It's just buttery too, by the way.
Oh, it is buttery.
Now the 4-speeds in these, I think, would have been M20s or M21 Muncies.
I would say 20, wouldn't it?
It's a Muncie, but I think a 20. And this one does have a tack too up here, right there on the right. We'll wait for this gentleman with the tractor on his. That's a tractor trailer.
Tractor.
Get it?
Very good, Jake.
That was a joke.
I'm proud of you.
That's like a Ford 9N or something, or a 5N. Buttery smooth.
Wow, you weren't kidding.
No, it's nice. Trust
This
me.
is a well done car.
It's very well done. Sure, my mic is still on. I think it is.
Is our mics on? Oh, good.
Yes. It also has both side mirrors,
Which is neat.
so the height of safety back in the mid 60s, 1965.
Beautiful 1965.
The bucket seats are in beautiful condition and they're very comfortable. No cracks or tears in the vinyl anywhere. Oh wow.
Very nice.
Handles like a 65 GTO. Pretty tight though.
Come on. It's not bad.
Let's see,
Oh, it
1965.
shifts real nice.
That's what, 60 years ago?
Let's say 60.
Yeah. So for a 60-year-old car, doing pretty good. Wow.
Wow.
Fourth
It
gear.
really drives nice.
Like I said, we have the tonneau cover back here for the top. The back seats are in great condition too. Here, let me lift this up so you can see. Very nice. Back window, very nice. The inside of the top also looks fantastic.
Horn
Nice.
works.
It does. It's that like ring, the chrome ring in the wheel there. Very neat.
Little Pontiacs on it.
We do have an ashtray somewhere. I think it's this. Yes. There it is, and this is your cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
And don't vape either.
And a tri-power will smoke its tires.
Oh, sure it will.
It sure will. Here's
There's
the
lots of
glove
stuff
box.
in there.
There's lots of stuff in
There's
here.
a free pen.
There's a free pen. Very nice. I have an you know what handle over here as well.
You know, it drives pretty straight too. I just let go of the wheel for those of you watching at home, and it drives straight. Look at that, man.
Tracks in a straight line. That's always nice.
Love it. It's a really comfortable car, and I do like the doors. You
Yeah.
weren't kidding. I thought he was kidding.
Trunk lid is the same way, and the hood. You just let it fall gently closed, and it just latches. It's very nice. Brakes work well. They are manual, but you get some nice feel. They still are
This is a wonderful driving
fantastic.
car.
Yeah, it drives fantastic.
$2,000 at 40 miles an hour. So we got some pretty good gears.
Yeah, it's a 4-speed. The automatic was more for the highway. This was for speed and power.
Yes, power.
The old 4-speed manual.
Just like Clarkson would wanted it.
And you gotta have that with the tri-power. I believe originally this car was a 4-barrel automatic car,
Oh, really?
but it's tri-power 4-speed now. So
That's the way it should
if
be.
anything, it's gotten better. Better with age, like fine wine. But the color and everything, that's all correct. Factory correct.
Mayfair Maize.
Mayfair Maize.
I like
Maize
that.
as in corn, not like a labyrinth. Although you could make a maze out of corn. It'd
why
be a
wouldn't
maze
you?
maze.
Oh my God.
And here's the bean test. Chris doesn't like my jokes.
Sometimes they're fine. It's a nice Lexus right there, but it's not as good as this.
Ooh. Second gear action. Oh, wow.
Good night.
Wow, it shifts so smooth.
Wow, it does.
It's got some power too.
Sure does. I don't want to go too fast, but boy, it's nice.
And these old engines don't rev like the modern stuff. This is a Redline at 5K, it's telling us.
And believe them.
Some of the Coyotes we've driven go to 8,800, close to 9.
Isn't that something?
It's ridiculous.
It is.
But this is no slouch.
No, it's beautiful. I mean, it's Mayfair Maize for the love of Mike.
And it's a convertible.
Yeah.
And it's power top, so you can just keep on cruising, unlatch your top, hit that button, and just bring it on down.
But listen to it so well. It's dialed in.
It really is.
Oh.
We talk about at work all the time how difficult it is to dial in tri-power carbs on anything. 6-packs, tri-power Pontiacs.
This one was nice.
This one was done by someone who knew what they were doing.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this is a nice car.
It's buttery smooth. You want to do flybys and hear from the outside?
I don't see why not. We're here. Good luck, Jake. We're all counting on you. He loves the doors more than anyone should love a door. But that's who Jake is. He's a man that likes the little things. Listen to it. Pontiacs are always just a step above everyone in the old GM family. I really believe that. I mean, Cadillac, of course, is Cadillac, but Pontiac just knew what they were doing. 60s, they dominated. Early 70s, they dominated. Here he goes. Wow. Sounds good because it is good. It's Mayfair Maize, everybody. Sounds great. You gotta be kidding me. So Jake, what'd you think of that?
I think you could win a car show and then drive Miss Daisy home if you wanted to.
You sure could.
It's actually really quick.
It's very fast.
Tri-power and a 4-speed combination.
Sounded great too.
Incredible. Yeah, I know. I wish it was warmer out so we could put this top down and be comfortable.
It's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly out today, but no, did it sound good? Yeah.
It really did, and it did. It's just a great car.
Yeah, and I like the color combination.
Great lines.
The Mayfair Maize, white top, black interior, pretty timeless. And you got a tack, which is awesome. It's a nice car.
It's a great car.
Really well done, really well tuned, really well restored. Are you ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
It is beautiful. How about these doors?